Welcome back to the Frugal Mindset, where we believe in building wealth through smart financial strategies. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's on the minds of many aspiring investors and financial enthusiasts: passive income strategies for long-term wealth building. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to create multiple streams of income that work for you while you sleep, then you're the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the concept of passive income, explore various strategies that you can implement to generate passive income, and provide practical tips on how to get started. So sit back, relax, and let's unlock the secrets to building long-term wealth through passive income. But before moving forward, please subscribe to the Frugal Mindset for more practical tips on personal finance, budgeting, and wealth building. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to money earned with little to no effort on an ongoing basis. It is often considered a key element of building long-term wealth, as it allows you to generate income while minimizing your active involvement. Unlike active income, which requires continuous effort and time investment, passive income allows you to earn money passively, even when you're not actively working. Let's delve deeper into understanding passive income and why it's important for long-term wealth building. Passive income can come from various sources, such as investments, rental properties, intellectual property, and business ventures. The key characteristic of passive income is that it doesn't require constant attention or active management. Once you set up a passive income stream, it can continue to generate income over time with minimal effort. One of the primary benefits of passive income is that it provides financial flexibility and freedom. It allows you to diversify your income sources and reduce your reliance on a traditional 9-to-5 job. By generating passive income, you can create additional streams of revenue that can supplement or even replace your active income, providing you with more financial security and independence. Passive income is also an essential element of long-term wealth building. It allows you to accumulate assets and investments that can appreciate in value or generate ongoing income. Over time, passive income streams can compound and grow, allowing you to accumulate wealth and achieve your financial goals, such as early retirement, financial independence, or building a legacy for future generations. However, it's important to note that not all passive income is truly passive in the strictest sense. While passive income streams may require less effort compared to active income, they may still require some initial setup, management, and periodic monitoring. For example, rental properties may require maintenance and tenant management. Dividend stocks may require research and portfolio rebalancing, and business ventures may require strategic planning and oversight. It's important to carefully evaluate and choose passive income streams that align with your interests, skills, and available time commitment. Another crucial aspect of passive income is understanding the risks associated with different income streams. Not all passive income sources are created equal, and some may carry higher risks than others. For example, investing in individual stocks or cryptocurrencies may be more volatile and risky compared to investing in diversified index funds. Real estate investing may also carry risks such as property depreciation, vacancy rates, and market fluctuations. It's crucial to thoroughly research and assess the risks associated with each passive income stream and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. Benefits of passive income. The benefits of passive income are numerous and can have a profound impact on your financial future. First, passive income provides financial stability, as it diversifies your income streams and reduces your reliance on a single source of income. This can protect you from unexpected financial emergencies and provide a sense of security. Second, passive income can provide financial freedom, as it allows you to have more control over your time and lifestyle. With passive income, you can have the flexibility to pursue other interests, spend more time with your loved ones, or travel the world without worrying about money. Finally, passive income can be a powerful wealth-building tool, as it can accumulate and compound over time, leading to long-term financial success and abundance. Passive income strategies. Now that you understand the benefits of passive income, let's explore some practical strategies that you can implement to start building your passive income portfolio. 1. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is a tried and tested strategy for generating passive income. One popular approach is to invest in rental properties. You can purchase residential or commercial properties and rent them out to tenants, earning rental income on a monthly basis. With careful research and property management, real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income. Additionally, as the property appreciates in value over time, you can sell it for a profit, making it a potential long-term wealth-building strategy. For example, you could purchase a duplex property and rent out both units to tenants. The rental income from both units would be your passive income, and as the property's value increases, you could sell it for a higher price, making a substantial profit. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another popular strategy for generating passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. These dividends can provide a consistent stream of passive income. For instance, you could invest in established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends, such as Procter & Gamble or Coca-Cola. As a shareholder, you would receive dividend payments on a quarterly or annual basis, depending on the company's dividend policy. You can choose to reinvest the dividends to buy more shares, which can compound your passive income over time. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending is an online investment platform that allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. P2P lending can be a passive income strategy that provides regular cash flow. For example, you could invest $5,000 in a P2P lending platform and lend out small amounts to different borrowers. As borrowers repay their loans with interest, you would receive monthly payments, which can be a source of passive income. However, it's important to carefully assess the risk associated with P2P lending and diversify your investments across different loans to minimize potential risks. 4. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling an online course can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. For instance, if you're a fitness expert, you could create an online course on weight loss or fitness training and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created and published, it can generate income passively as people enroll and pay for it. You can also offer additional resources or premium content for an additional fee, increasing your passive income potential. While creating and marketing an online course requires effort up front, once it's up and running, it can generate passive income for years to come. 5. Create a mobile app or software. Creating a mobile app or software can be another way to generate passive income. If you have programming or development skills, you can create an app or software that addresses a specific problem or fulfills a need in the market. Once the app or software is developed, you can sell it on platforms like the App Store, Google Play, or through your own website. Users can purchase or download your app, and you can earn revenue from sales or subscriptions. While the initial development may require time and effort, a successful app or software can generate ongoing passive income with minimal maintenance. 6. Create and sell an ebook. If you have a talent for writing, creating and selling an ebook can be a profitable way to generate passive income. You can write an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about, such as personal finance, self-improvement, or a hobby you're passionate about. Once the ebook is written, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or Barnes and Noble's Nook Press. As readers purchase and download your ebook, you can earn royalties on sales, providing a potential stream of passive income. 7. Invest in crowdfunded real estate. Crowdfunding has become a popular way to invest in real estate without having to own a physical property. Crowdfunded real estate platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects by pooling your money with other investors. These platforms typically offer different investment options, such as equity or debt investments, and provide regular updates on the performance of the project. As the real estate project generates rental income or appreciates in value, you can earn passive income through dividends, interest payments, or potential capital gains. 8. Create and monetize a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy writing or creating videos, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a way to generate passive income through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. You can create content on a topic you're passionate about, build a loyal audience, and monetize your blog or channel through various channels. For example, you can display ads on your blog or YouTube videos and earn revenue based on the number of views or clicks. You can also collaborate with brands and earn money through sponsored content or promote products or services as an affiliate, earning a commission for every sale or referral. In conclusion, there are numerous passive income strategies that can help you build long-term wealth. From real estate investing, dividend stocks, and peer-to-peer lending to creating and selling ebooks, investing in crowdfunded real estate, monetizing a blog or YouTube channel, investing in index funds or ETFs, and renting out assets, there are plenty of options to choose from based on your interests, skills, and financial goals. Remember to carefully research and assess the risks associated with each strategy and diversify your investments for a well-rounded portfolio. So, start taking steps towards building your passive income streams today and set yourself up for financial success in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.